Welcome to TinyTalesKidHub, where stories sparkle and adventures begin. Let's laugh, learn, and grow together.
A is for apple, bright and red. B is for bear, sleeping in his bed. C is for cat, who loves to play. D is for dog, who barks all day. E is for elephant, big and tall. F is for frog, who can jump and crawl. G is for giraffe, with a neck so long. H is for hat, wear it all day long. I is for ice cream, so sweet and cold. J is for jellyfish, swimming in the bold. K is for kangaroo, hopping high. L is for lion, who roars to the sky. M is for moon, shining so bright. N is for nest, where birds take flight. O is for octopus, with 8 arms to wave. P is for penguin, on ice they skate. Q is for queen, with a crown so fine. R is for rainbow, that colours the sky. S is for snake, who slithers on the ground. T is for tiger, running all around. U is for unicorn, with a magical horn. V is for violin, with the string so worn. W is for whale, swimming so deep. X is for xylophone, with sounds to keep. Y is for yo-yo, spinning around. Z is for zebra, with stripes all around.